It's the only planet we have, and it's currently in dire need of help. The EVE Summit is bringing together 180 of the world's finest climate scientists from 29 different nations to try and do just that.
EVE's an effort to try to engage the most powerful technologies to solve the biggest problems. More specifically, it's a way of bringing large-scale computing and AI to bear to help people better understand what climate change really means for them.
Having a computer program predict the effects of extreme weather and climate may seem like science fiction turned science fact, but it also comes with a pretty hefty price tag. To do this properly could cost as much as $2.5 billion a year, but that comes with potential savings in the trillions of dollars.
So if we create enormous amounts of information about possible climate futures and you wanted a tool to help you summarize that for you, like, find me the 15 biggest floods in the next 100 years according to these models in my area, and then it would dial those up and you say, well, what does that look like? And then visualizing that. So it's really a family of AI and visualization tools that would live on this data layer to help people imagine possible and plausible futures.
Chinese participation is crucial to the project. One keynote speaker told CGTN that working together to counter climate change is essential.
Cooperation is very important because what we face is a global challenge, and a global challenge means that we must take common actions. There is no common future without cooperation. This can motivate us to innovate better and reduce our risks.
Chinese tech is also at the forefront of mapping and predicting weather events that can provide large-scale systems like EVE with the data it needs on a global scale.
China's Huawei has now developed a Pangu forecasting system, which is used for meteorological and marine meteorological forecasts. So what else? China's Fudan University recently launched a forecasting system called Fuxing, which forecasts the climate for the next 15 years.
Compiling this data and knowing which places are at risk is vital amid the growing list of threats we face. According to the United Nations, if the world's temperatures increase by about 2 degrees Celsius by the end of this century, we will see a 5-fold global increase in floods, storms, droughts and heat waves. Knowing which areas are most at risk can be crucial to taking action to reverse the warming. Peter Oliver, CGTN, Berlin.